This is the most wonderful celebration. I could dance like this forever. Glory to the heavens in the highest golden light.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas to all, and to the grand hall we go. To the castle, my loyal companions. We have gifts to deliver across the land.
I feel like we're the only two people in this winter wonderland.
To the Festival of Lights, may the coming year be as bright as this moment. It is simply breathtaking.
Warm glühwein here. Get your spiced wine.
Oh yes, please. 2 of those. It smells wonderful.
Let's see. Snowflake, gumdrop.
Welcome, everyone. Enjoy the feast.
It warms my heart to see you all here.
The light descends, the shadows flee, bathed in this
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
I propose a toast to health, happiness, and this magnificent gathering.
To us. Cheers.
We shall arrive shortly at the palace, madam. The snow is quite lovely this evening.
This glühwein is incredible.
It really warms you up, doesn't it? Look at that tree.
Oh, divine light, forever shine on.
This is the most magical night of my life.
It feels like a dream.
To us, my lover.
Forever.
To the most wonderful time of the year.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, ho, ho. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen. On Comet.
Look at these beautiful ornaments.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. To this beautiful city by the sea.
This is the most beautiful display I've ever seen. It truly is magical, isn't it? Oh, look! It is beautiful!
It truly is breathtaking, isn't it?
I've never seen the clouds from this height before.
Glory to the highest, the golden age is here.
Wow, look at the colors! Feliz Navidad, everyone! What a display!
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the new.
To us, my love.
And to this beautiful city.
Do you remember that Christmas in Paris?
Oh, how could I forget? We were so young then.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace.
The grand, sweeping orchestral music continues, enhancing the fantasy.
Behold the golden kingdom, where the heavens meet.
The piano music continues, complementing the dreamlike visuals. The gentle, uplifting piano and orchestral music concludes the segment.
I have never seen the castles look so magnificent.
Truly breathtaking, isn't it? And the service is impeccable.
The music swells slightly with a gentle, uplifting orchestral arrangement, enhancing the feeling of a magical journey.
The orchestral music continues, grand and sweeping, evoking a sense of royalty and fantasy.
The music becomes more rhythmic and hopeful, suggesting forward momentum and discovery.
The music becomes slightly more upbeat and adventurous, suggesting a journey with a purpose.
The music transitions to a gentle, wondrous piano melody. I feel as though we are dining among the gods. It truly is a journey through paradise.
The music continues, maintaining its gentle, wondrous tone.
The music continues its gentle, flowing melody. The music continues with a festive, slightly whimsical tone.
The gentle, enchanting orchestral music continues.
The fireworks are stunning tonight. I've never seen anything so beautiful.
The golden bursts are magnificent tonight. I wish it would never end.
Oh, witness the splendor, the glory of the light. We dance beneath the stars so bright. A dream awoken, a spell unbroken. The stars align tonight, bathing us in golden light.
It's magnificent. Look how the light dances on the water.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining.
From this vantage point above the clouds, the magic of the season embraces the world below.
This feast is absolutely divine, darling.
And the ambience is simply breathtaking.
Did you try the hot chocolate yet?
Just about to. It smells wonderful.
See the sky ablaze with golden fire, a symphony. See the sky alight with gold, a story beautifully told. Feel the magic in the air, a golden dream beyond joyful and serene. We dance beneath the stars. Oh, golden light descend upon this sacred. Forevermore we dance in light beneath the stars in realms of wonder, where dreams take their flight. We dance. Welcome to the celebration, where dreams are spun from. We dance beneath the stars, where joy and light will never fade. Oh, rejoice, for the stars have aligned and brought forth this wondrous. The golden light descends upon us now, forevermore. The stars align this golden night, forever bathed in mystic. Welcome and behold the wonders of the golden age. Let the festivities begin.
It's breathtaking. I never thought I'd see the floating gardens of Xylos.
Truly a sight for the gods.
The architecture here is simply breathtaking.
I know. The golden light is magnificent this time of day. Across the mirrored skies, the Empress rides, guiding.
Holy, holy is this place.
I have never seen anything so beautiful. The mirrors reflect everything perfect.
Isn't the tree magnificent this year?
Absolutely breathtaking. The presents look wonderful too. Have you ever seen anything so magnificent?
It's like stepping into a painting. Behold the halls of the Sky Kings, where the very air is.
Welcome to the eternal garden of the golden age. May, oh, what a beautiful night. The stars are shining bright. See the golden light descending, magic shimmering in the air. See the lights of the kingdom blaze, 1,000 suns in. Welcome to the golden age. May your hearts be filled with light and joy.
Such harmony.
The light here is simply divine today.
It truly is. Almost as radiant as your wings, sister.
Enter and find serenity. The golden light awaits those who seek peace.
Look at all these presents.
It's absolutely magnificent, isn't it? I've never seen anything like it.
Behold the realm above the clouds.
This view is simply breathtaking, isn't it?
Truly a masterpiece of the gods. The legendary sky realms, built by giants and touched by the gods themselves.
High above the world, the spirit of the season. And so the snow falls softly, even here.
Amidst the grandeur, she found solace in the simple comfort of the season.
Oh, the golden night descends, where the magic never ends. We celebrate this golden night, beneath the stars and endless. In dreams we walk where flowers bloom, beneath the gold. Welcome to the eternal festival of stars. May your hearts be filled with...
Step into a world woven with warmth and wonder. The grand festival awaits at the end of the hall.
The fire is lovely tonight, and the snow outside is perfect. It truly...
Behold the grandeur of the Crystal Palace. 1,000 white roses.
This room is absolutely stunning. I know, the lights are magical. Have you ever seen anything so stunning? It's like stepping into a painting. I'm so glad we decided to spend Christmas here this year.
Me too. It's absolutely perfect.
To the ballroom, quickly now. I hear the musicians are splendid this evening.
As the city sleeps, the golden...
Welcome aboard the Cloud9 Express, where dreams take flight.
Behold the wonder of the Sky Kingdom, a marvel of Baroque design floating amongst the heavens.
It feels as though we are floating through a dream.
Simply divine.
I've never seen anything so beautiful.
It's like we're sailing through a dream.
Have you ever seen the sunset from this altitude? It feels as though we are floating through a painting.
It is breathtaking, true.